Today we will make delicious egg nest recipe with eggs and vegetables. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Add a pinch of hing. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Add green chillies cut into pieces. Add chopped thin slices of onion and fry for 5 minutes. Now add chopped thin slices of carrot. Fry for 5 minutes. Now add thinly chopped cabbage. Fry the vegetables for 5 minutes. Cover the vessel and keep for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Make some space between veggies to put eggs. Slowly add the eggs between veggies one by one. Sprinkle finely chopped coriander over it. Put some oil from all sides. Now cover the vessel for 15 minutes for the eggs to cook on slow flame. Serve with buns or rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video.